back at Lowe's. Like, Lowe's need to sponsor me. But I got some greenery, like I said, and then I got those little fences to go around the thing, so Migo don't be all in, even though he can step over those.
Oh, the cashier Gloria just flirting with me. Whoever got my Gloria up here at Lowe's, I better watch out. But yeah.
Look at this, y'all. Oh my God, my car is literally crying. I just don't understand. Mama.
What?
All them scratches.
You got scratches on your car?
Yes.
Oh, it'll buff out.
Okay, so I put the pond filter in there. I ran the line back there through there. That's a pond liner. We're gonna hide that though, so you won't be able to see that. That's gonna be able to help our flow of our waterfall. That's the hill underneath there right there.
All right, y'all. So y'all see how I went around with the big pebbles on top of the big rocks on top of the little pebbles? That was the vision I had. So that's like that. Go all the way around like that. Then I got it some mulch behind that. Got my plants, my greenery. Got a bloom already. Look at that. I had these tiles down. We got our trench for the little fence we're gonna have to keep him out. Let me go, Cam. Got our waterfall. Gotta work on that. Almost done, guys.
All right, y'all. My plant's planted back there. It's been a long day. We had to clean the rocks out. We had the power for it, but now we had to get all of it out again. See how that shelf is clear? That's how it's supposed to look. Not like this. Look like boo-boo. Chocolate milk.
Hey, y'all. Doing my fence layout. We're gonna have some tiles, like a little walkthrough for us so we can enjoy our pond. Got that coming around. Now I'm doing a little fence layout. Got two more. Go all the way up to the house. All right, y'all. Got that. Yeah, got the tiles in. 5 on this side, 5 on this side, and we're gonna put some more on there straight ahead, and I'm gonna remulch that.
Got some in your eye?
All right, so the pond is all done and it looks so good. I think, hey, why not add something to it? So here I am at Petco looking at fish. Here's a starfish. They had some other fish over here. Wasn't really feeling any of that. And they had reptiles, some snakes, and some spiders. But not really for a pond. Down here they have more fish, but no turtles. They had some cute ferrets. So I got back in the car, called like 5 Petcos. Nobody had any turtles. So I just kept driving around looking. I'm at PetSmart now. They don't even have any turtles. So I went to another Petco. This was like a pop-up shop. They didn't have anything. They didn't have any animals. So I left here, finally went to another Petco. They had 2 turtles. I adopted them both. Here we are with the care sheet on the way home. And here they are swimming in their new pond. Hope you guys liked the video. And here's some footage of them swimming around.
Bye.